Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel YNAB free trial. If you are on a free trial on YNAB application and you would like to cancel your free trial, then the process is quite easy and straightforward. So let's get started. First of all, open the YNAB application from your app drawer. After you are signed into the account, from the main home page, tap on the three dots at the top left corner. In the pop-up, click on Settings and Privacy. Now, click on Account Settings and then scroll all the way down. Now click on the Edit Subscription in the App Store option under Subscription. Tap on the YNAB subscription option under Active. And finally tap on Cancel Free Trial. And once the confirmation has been done, you won't be charged further, and then you will be able to cancel your YNAB free trial. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.